Cujo, you right there, mate? You relaxing? He's a good boy. Reg, Reg,
Yeah.
you chilling with Cujo? Ah, the boys. Cujo, you're a good boy, you are, aren't you?